Now we are revising. Fill in the blanks. You will have to choose one option, one answer from these options given below. There are some specific characteristics that make Wimbledon tennis championship put it in inverted commas, unique. Wimbledon is the only major tennis tournament is the only major tennis tournament first on grass, but that's not the only reason why it is so special, why it is so special. Wimbledon is an excellent organization. Wimbledon is an excellent organization right? The impression that nothing has changed, nothing has changed over not talking the decades, while in reality everything is and modernizing. After reading this passage, you will have to choose one option. In the first option, options are first to be filled. That is played. Option 2 is playing. 3 play, and 4 is had been played. Next is second A part. Will give bees had given and trees may give. B is giving. Third is continuing improvement. Improvement. B is improve. And C is continue improving. And fourth is continuously improving. Okay. Now, have you written all?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. These you are saying that is played. Is playing, play, had been played. May given, had given, may give, it going. It means you will have to fill these blanks with the help of tenses. ठीक है? यहाँ किसी को कौन सी जो टॉपिक को डोमिनेट कर रहा है? Tenses. चलिए. There are some specific characteristics that make. कुछ एक स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं जो कि विंबलडन टेनिस चैंपियनशिप को यूनिक बनाते हैं. ठीक है? Wimbledon is the only major tennis tournament
That is played.
that is played. जाएगा? That is played जो कि खेला जाता है. लेकिन ये क्या है? That is played क्या हो गया? Played. इसके बाद वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होगा ये? Passive voice. जो कि इसको क्या कर रहा है? That is played. कोई विंबलडन को क्वालिफाई कर रहा है. ठीक है? तो ये क्या बन गया? Adjective class बन गया वैसे. क्या बन गया? Adjective class. Next है that is played on grass, but that is not the only reason why it is so special. Wimbledon is an excellent organization. The impression that nothing had changed over the decades.
Had given.
क्या आएगा?
Had given.
It had given impression that nothing had changed over the decades. While in reality everything is
Continuously improving.
everything continuously continue improving. Everything is continuously improving. ठीक है?
क्या आएगा?
Continuously improving. सेकंड में क्या बताया था आपने?
Had given.
नो. हैड क्यों नहीं आया बेटा? देखो यहाँ पर तो हम हैज लगा रहे हैं और यहाँ हैड हो जाएगा. तो टेस्ट चेंज नहीं हो गया कि पहले पास्ट और फिर आपका प्रेजेंट. ठीक है? यहाँ इट द इंप्रेशन दैट नथिंग हैड चेंज्ड ओवर डिकेड्स जाना चाहिए. विल गिवन नहीं आएगा. इट विल गिवन. ठीक है? हैड गिवन नो. मे गिव आएगा. क्या आएगा? मे गिव. यानी इट मे गिव द इंप्रेशन. यानी ये ऐसा इंप्रेशन छोड़ सकता है, ऐसा इंप्रेशन दे सकता है दैट नथिंग had changed over decades. कि इन्हीं से ऐसा दिया है कि डिकेड से जो है ना कुछ इसमें कुछ चेंजेस नहीं हुए हैं. Is that clear? And that over decades while in reality everything is continuously improving. is आ गया. इसके साथ क्या आएगा? Continuous tense आएगा. ठीक है? Improving आ गया मेन वर्ब. तो इसके साथ improving कैसे improving? Continuously. Continue नहीं आएगा. Just अकेला improve नहीं आएगा क्योंकि is लगा रखा है ऑलरेडी. तो इसके बाद क्या आएगा? V4 आएगा. तो क्या रहना चाहिए हमारा? Continuing improvement नहीं आएगा क्योंकि हमारी जो मेन वर्ब वो क्या है? Improve. Improve है ना? तो improve के साथ ing आएगा. तो वो कहाँ है? यहाँ है. Continuously improving. And modern नहीं आएगा। यहाँ पर वर्ब है तो यहाँ पर भी वर्ब ही आएगा। जो वर्ब की फॉर्म यहाँ है वही वर्ब की फॉर्म यहाँ आएगी। तो यहाँ वर्ब की फॉर्म कौन सी है? मॉडर्नाइजिंग। तो यहाँ पर भी क्या आएगी? इम्प्रूविंग। इज दैट क्लियर? Read the following conversation and complete the passage given below. I see. Can you manage the cost of a public relations executive? Manage the cost of a public relations executive. Rohit, I'm sure I will be able to you'll have to write. I will check it.
Yes.
Will be able to do the job competently. Mr. It will involve some degree of stress too. It will involve no sound. Some degree of stress too. Rohit, I know there will be difficult times. I know there will be difficult times.